Well, rumors say that Samsung wants to upgrade the next gen foldable phones in various areas, including the hinge. And the idea that Samsung will upgrade the hinge design of the Galaxy 7 Fold 5 to a droplet mechanism is gaining even more traction. As any Galaxy Z Fold user knows, Samsung's book-like foldable phones don't fold perfectly flat. There's always a gap between the two halves of the Galaxy Z Fold, which is caused by the way the hinge mechanism works. This gap, although not a huge issue, adds girth to the phone and leaves the foldable panel a bit more vulnerable to small objects. Samsung is expected to upgrade the Galaxy Z Fold 5 in many areas, from hardware specs to design. Previous reports suggested that the company is willing to spend more money on a better hinge with a droplet mechanism. This new hinge will allow Z Fold 5 to close shut perfectly flat. The sources say that Galaxy Z Fold 5 has no display gap and adds that the phone's thickness will fall in the 13 mm range when folded shut. In the other words, the upcoming model should be thinner than that of ongoing Galaxy Z Fold 4, which comes in at around 15.88 mm near the hinge. Samsung will probably announce the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 in August to September 2023.